A lament for Tammuz. For the brother who slumbers. The city cries loudly. Alas, O brother, comrade of heaven! Alas, O shepherd, Lord Tammuz! For the child whose palace rejoices no more. The Holy One of Ishtar, in Anna there is lamentation. For him of the plains, who rejoices no more. The Holy One of Ishtar, in Helab there is lamentation. For the shepherd, who rejoices no more. The revered one, Holy One of Ishtar, in X there is lamentation. For the wise one, who rejoices no more. The Holy One of Ishtar, in the middle of the year the fields languish. The man of sorrows, who rejoices no more, Bilit-seri longs for Tammuz. Him of the plains, why have they slain? The shepherd, the wise one. The man of sorrows, why have they slain? Bilit-seri with the lambs and calves languishes. The noble one. The holy one, Ishtar cries aloud. The noble one turns her gaze to where the Lord is. Where has he gone out? In his temple, and in his inhabited domain. The child, Lord of knowledge, abides no more. The noble one, holy Bilit-seri, cries aloud. The noble one, to where her brother is, turns her gaze. Where has he crossed over? From his home. From his inhabited domain. The son, he of wisdom, preeminent steer of heaven. The hero, unto the nether herding place, has taken his way. Bilit-seri has taken her way to the Elysian field. O wanderer, wanderer, my brother. Wanderer, in the fields of Aralu. Wanderer, my brother wanderer. The mastical plants perish. In the meadows, verily, verily, the soul of life perishes.